Hey guys, today I'm back with 5 tutorials for you. Last month I took part in the April nail art challenge hosted by deluxe_nails_sealing. Please check her out. I'll leave a link to her Instagram and her YouTube channel below. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen these already. So in this part I will be showing you the first few days. I hope you enjoy. And there you go, 5 tutorials for you. Please let me know in the comments which one is your favourite. Give this video a like and subscribe. Subscribe good. And part 2 will be up very soon, I promise. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.